Skip the expensive coffee house drinks and make this easy mocha latte at home. There are only 3 simple ingredients and you probably already have them on hand. The secret to this creamy mocha latte is the frothy milk, and I'm going to show you my hack for making it without using any fancy tools. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make, like this quick and easy mocha latte. It's rich and decadent and a cinch to make at home. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to make our homemade mocha latte is we need to get the latte part going. So I'm just using some instant espresso powder here. You could easily use regular espresso if that's your thing. Store-bought espresso will work great too. And to this, I'm also going to add some hot cocoa mix. And for this, I like to use a good quality hot cocoa mix. So I'm gonna add a little bit in there. And then we need to add some hot water. So I had this boiling. We're gonna add that in there. Not filling it quite to the top. And we'll just give everything a stir till it's all dissolved. All right, that's looking good. Now, to our espresso and hot cocoa mix, we're going to add some milk. And for this recipe, you really need to use whole milk. I don't know that skim milk or 1%, even 2% would even work. You kind of need the fat from the whole milk. So I'm going to add about a half a cup. A little bit more. There we go. And we're going to save the other half for the froth. All right, that's looking perfect. I'm just looking through. Everything is almost dissolved. I see a couple pieces floating around through the glass. Okay. Now, the next step for our homemade mocha latte is to get that frothy milk on top. No fancy equipment here, I'm telling you. You have this at home. Just get yourself a jar, any jar with a tight-fitting lid. Put the other half of that cup of milk into the jar. Lid on, nice and tight. Shake until frothy. Let's check. A little bit more, I think. Nice, vigorous shakes. Make sure that lid's on nice and tight so you're not flinging milk all over the place like I was doing. Okay, that's been about 30 seconds. It's nice and frothy, but we're not gonna put this cold milk into our hot latte. We're gonna pop this in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to warm it up, and then we'll put it on top of our latte. Okay, so here's our warm milk. Some of that froth went down a bit, but we'll just pour that. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna give it another quick shake. Just to see if I can bring some more back. Again, tight lid. I've got a mess going on. There we go. So we're gonna take that. There you go. Now, I can't make the pretty hearts in the top like they can at the coffee house. I'm not that fancy, but I think this is a pretty close replica to that coffee house drink. Let's give it a try. Very carefully, because I filled it right to the brim. Ooh, you know what? That is absolutely perfect. It's creamy, it's got that coffee and chocolatey flavor all together. I can go snuggle up under a blanket and drink this drink. This creamy mocha latte is definitely a keeper. What's your favorite coffee house drink? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want the perfect treat to go with your mocha latte, make sure you check out my old-fashioned apple fritters. Thanks for hanging out with me today. You can get the full printable recipe in the video description below. I'll see you next time. Bye.